I want to welcome you to PlyGem's YouTube video on how to install porch ceilings using PlyGem soffit panels. I'm going to highlight the vinyl beaded panel though. So I want to start off by showing you a couple pictures of what this really looks like with the beaded panel. We're going to really concentrate with that one. So I just got a couple photos of jobs that have been done, and it really gives you an idea how the beaded panel looks. Again, here's a couple shots here. This is a great picture because it shows the channel, the special channel, vinyl channel you want to use with the beaded, and we'll go over that in the application. And again, you want to use you have a lot of options with the PlyGem soffits in aluminum and vinyl. Here's another great shot of the beaded panel with a great cut and everything else you need to see there. So these give you some idea what it looks like. So now let's tell you exactly how to do it. And we'll get to the details here. And as we get out and start here, I want to explain to you that you do have the options of using several options. Some are aluminum soffits that PlyGem makes. Let's show you a couple of those options. We just have a couple to show you. In aluminum, you can use the 444 aluminum soffit, as Eric's going to show you. Looks really good in a porch ceiling. Or you can use a 66 aluminum. In vinyl, we don't have all the options here, but there are many, many more in vinyl. You can use 55, you can use a 444-inch panel. You also, the one that's really popular is the 333 1/3 soffit. That looks really good in a porch ceiling. But what we're going to highlight today is we're going to talk about our beaded soffit panel, because it just looks like wainscoting and it looks like a porch ceiling with no maintenance. So Eric's showing you one of the pieces that we're going to install in a little bit. Let's talk about the basics. To start a porch ceiling, you must remember that you need supports at no greater than every 12 inches, or a solid porch ceiling will work well, but you want to nail it no greater than 12 inches on center so that it hangs and stays on the wall. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to install the special J channel. Eric's going to show you the special channel that's made for the beaded. It's a narrow soffit, so this gives it a little more decorative look. So Junior and Eric have already installed the framing around this fake ceiling. Now once that's done, again, beaded soffit, you must remember, is 12'6" long, and that's really critical. If your porch, that'll cover most porch ceilings, but if your porch is longer than that 12'6", you cannot overlap pieces of any soffit in any location or vertical siding. So you must use transition tees. And you can see Eric's pointing out a couple options here, and we'll show you some close-ups. On the right side of our ceiling, we used what we call a T channel. It comes in white, so it's pretty limited, but you can use this, and you can see how that makes like a double J for the transition of the two soffits. The other option is to use back-to-back J's. He's going to show you what that looks like. You do have all the color options here, so you're going to put one up, which is already up. Then you're going to reverse the other one on top of it. And since there's not a water area, you're not losing anything. You just get the same look. The T-channel is a better-looking product because you don't have the seam. So that's exactly how you're going to do the transition. And again, on this wall, we show both options, and Eric's going to just leave that up there to show you what it looks like. So once the bottom section of beaded is all completed, as you can see here, it looks beautiful. I want you to notice that we kind of balanced the wall. So we started with the same piece, and we ended with the same piece. Now, what we're going to do now, Junior's going to come in and start the first piece on the second run. Now, he made that to match the same size as the ones on the bottom. So that's the same width. And he's going to end the same way. So you just pop it in. And again, you'll just want to put a couple screws in to hold it. You know, no greater than 12 inches on center. You can screw it or nail it. And as we wrap up here, Junior and Eric are probably going to put a couple more pieces in. But it's really important to see how good the soffit looks when you balance it. And you do have those couple options. Again, you just slide these pieces in. You may want to remember, if you do have a fan or a light that's included in the ceiling, you want to place a solid wood blocking behind your soffit panel, because you can't hang those fixtures just to the vinyl soffit. So here we showed you a couple last pieces that they put in. We want to end up and telling you thank you for coming to view this video. There's tons more PlyGem videos for all sorts of application and product knowledge, and we hope you view some others. Thank you.